Well, we got some short days here in South Dakota now, and was putting my own boat trailer away and realized that I think actually it was when I hooked up to a buddy of mine's trailer for a second to test his lights. I think it blew a fuse in my Expedition here. So this is a 98 Expedition. This is my winter piece. And so anyway, the deal was the running lights on all of the on the trailer, all the clearance lights and everything worked, the tail lights, except the brake lights and the blinkers didn't work. So your hazards, stuff like that, wasn't working. So anyway, I came underneath here, and I found this spot right here. This is spot number 16, Maxi, it says. And that fuse was blown. So anyway, I've already tried this, but I have the actual Maxi fuses. They're big ugly things. And so anyway, you replace that, and that'll restore your more intense blinker, and it's for a relay. So anyway, so here's the new fuse. No problem, everybody knows how to do that. But anyway, if you get caught without those trailer lights, give that a check. And I think this will only work on the 97, 98 stuff, the real true first gen stuff. So maybe it'd work on the later ones. I'm sure there's a similar relay that would, or fuse that would pop on them. But if you're looking for number 16, I think you're gonna have to stick to these years. So anyway, hope it helps you out, and it was a real quick fix once you figure it out. So thanks for watching.